This will be beginner level exercises for both the hip and knee problems. These are great strengthening exercises for both regions, and because both areas are very close to each other, we tend to work a lot of the same muscle groups. So these exercises are both applicable if you have a knee or hip issues. So the first one that we're going to start with is just a basic bridge. We're going to lift your hips up, squeeze at the top, and come back down. With this exercise, it's important to really focus on activating the glutes at the top and not arching your back. If you have a ball at home, you could do the same exercise but with the ball. So again, pushing through the legs, squeezing at the top, and coming back down. Just like that. Good. The next exercise is going to be for your quad muscles and for your hip flexors. So we really want to focus on squeezing here and straightening the knee, bringing the knee up so it's even with the other leg, and back down. And again, with all of these exercises, we'd like to repeat them about 10 to 15 times until you feel that muscle is really burning. Once you've done them 15 times, if it's still not quite difficult, then you can always add another repetition, another set, anything you can do to make it a little bit more challenging for yourself, but typically 15 is good for most people. Good. For the next two exercises, we're going to flip onto your side, facing this way. So these are going to be both really working on the glute muscles. So the first one is called the clamshell. We want to start with your knees and your feet together, and we're just going to open up, good, and come back down. And again, good, and back down. With this exercise, you really want to focus on not rotating your upper body backwards and just really focusing from the motion coming from your hip. So it doesn't have to be a big movement, but it'll be effective at targeting these hip muscles. A slightly more difficult exercise from this is to extend this leg. So again, it's the same kind of idea. We want to just bring the leg up and back down, and again. With this exercise, we want to focus on bringing our leg straight up and not to the front. Doing it this way will kind of deactivate the glute muscles that we're trying to activate. We really want to bring our leg backwards and back down. And again, 10 to 15 times, and you should really feel the muscle burning on the side of your hip there. Good. After you've progressed with these exercises, we'll post a video of some advanced level hip and knee exercises as well. So once you feel like these exercises, you've gotten through them, everything's easy, you feel really strong and able to perform all these exercises, please look at our next video and move on to the more difficult ones.